How does globalization affect immigration law? Have you ever wondered how the world around us influences the laws that govern immigration? Globalization, which connects economies and societies across the globe, plays a significant role in shaping immigration law. Let's break down how this interconnectedness impacts legal frameworks and policies. First, globalization leads to increased migration. People move across borders for various reasons, such as seeking better job opportunities, escaping conflicts, or responding to environmental changes. This surge in migration forces countries to adapt their immigration laws to manage these diverse groups, including labor migrants and refugees. As a result, immigration law becomes more complex, needing to address the rights of migrants in a global context. Next, globalization encourages some countries to harmonize their immigration policies. For instance, regions like the European Union and countries like the United States often adopt similar immigration controls. This trend is driven by global security concerns and advancements in technology, such as biometric data and electronic border systems. While this can strengthen state power over immigration, it also raises important questions about the rights of individuals. Interestingly, globalization does not weaken state control. Instead, it allows states to reinforce their authority. Countries use advanced tools, such as surveillance and information sharing systems, to regulate who can enter and stay. This shift impacts how citizenship is defined and affects the legal status of immigrants. However, globalization also brings challenges. It creates tension between strict immigration policies and the need to integrate immigrants into society. Immigration law must balance border control with protecting the rights of immigrants, including labor rights and civil liberties. Law schools that focus on immigration law study how domestic laws can evolve to better support immigrant integration, considering constitutional principles like equal protection. Moreover, international organizations play a growing role in shaping immigration policies. Bodies like the International Monetary Fund, World Trade Organization, and United Nations influence migration-related laws. Immigration law increasingly intersects with international human rights and labor standards, requiring legal professionals to navigate various legal systems. For law students specializing in immigration law, understanding globalization is essential. They need a multidisciplinary approach that includes international law and human rights. Practical skills involve analyzing how global trends affect local immigration laws and advocacy for immigrant rights. Law schools emphasize comparative legal studies and policy analysis to prepare students for the challenges posed by globalization. In summary, globalization significantly impacts immigration law by increasing migration flows, promoting policy harmonization, reinforcing state control, raising integration issues, and expanding the influence of international governance. Law schools focusing on immigration law must equip students to understand and address these diverse effects within both domestic and international legal frameworks.